All right, guys. I'm sorry there was some interruption in the stream. The data was not going, so it closed automatically because it was set to close the stream automatically when there is no data going. So I had to reset it through the moderator. I'm sorry that you had to miss this, but yeah, we can start it again. Like I was saying, that I am a Dukascopy's community member. I'm not an employee of Dukascopy, so whatever I'm going to talk about here is my own idea, and it has nothing to do with the Dukascopy bank. And we will be only talking about the technical analysis or the price action, like I was saying. What else? So yeah, I was trying to say that if you have any questions, please do not feel shy or anything. Like, you should ask questions. Okay, if you have questions, please put them in the chat box so that I can reply them, and we can keep this more or less interactive session so that we can talk to each other and then derive the good trades out of our discussions, right? So lastly, I want to say in the introduction that whatever I am saying here is only to increase your information or to increase your knowledge about how to see the charts, right? So please do your own research before you put your money on the line. Hello MJ, thank you for being here again. I think it will be difficult for others to find this link, but still, it's good if they find it. If they are not able to find it, at least they can see it tomorrow if they want to, right? And as such, it is Friday. It may not be, there may not be that much of movement today, but still our levels will be there that we can draw on the chart, and we can keep an eye on them tomorrow. So first thing first, let's go through the risk disclaimer. Well, this is a standard protocol now. I have to follow it. In the meantime, you can smash that like button if you want to. All right. And by the time it is going on, you can go through the risk disclaimer, understand it, digest it, chew it. I mean, do everything, whatever you want to do with this, but understand it. Okay, this is very important part of trading, to understand the risk that is involved. So thereafter, like always, on your screens is the first chart of the day, which is the US dollar index. So broadly, we pull up this chart actually every day, like every day means Monday to Friday, 60-30. We want to see what is happening in the daily chart of the dollar index. Why is it so important? Why the dollar index is so important? Because most of the major pairs, in fact, all of the major pairs have the dollar as the other currency. Euro USD has dollar to it. GBP USD had US dollar. Or USD had dollar, New Zealand dollar has dollar, US dollar, Canadian dollar has dollar. So all these major pairs have US dollar attached to it. Now silver is trading against US dollar, gold is traded against US dollar, euro is trading against, okay, South Africa. So the dollar is very important. We want to know where is the dollar headed, right? Now if we know the bias is down, we know from here, but these two highs here are explaining why there was this low formed, and this low and these two highs are now reason why there is a slowdown here, or you can say why the price came back to this area to retest this as the fresh resistance. And now I will switch this to 4 hour. If you can understand the mindset of a trader, you will know. So these lows, after breaking through these lows, the price went down, and now it has come again to retest whether there are sellers here. If there are no sellers, the price will keep going up, but if there are sellers, they will push the price down. Now they have sufficiently pushed the price down, at least on the 4 hour chart. But let's switch to the 1 hour. Well, there was a fair and good close above 105.15 area. This was a good support in the past. So we are concerned if something closes above this. Also, you see on the 1 hour chart, at least the price was making lower highs, lower lows. But with this candle breaching this high, the structure of the market is broken. Now, either the price will take support here and go up. This is one possibility. Is there still no stream? Well, I think there is something wrong with the Google servers, right? Can you get my voice? Is my voice reaching you guys? Can you see the screen? Because I don't get any update from you. I mean, no feedback is coming. So there's a lot of problem with this stream actually. The chat is not enabled. Okay, now the chat is enabled. Hello, streaming is back, no problem. Okay, thank you, MGA. Thank you so much. Because you see, I am able to send the data now to the server, but I'm not able to receive the data because there is some problem with the Google servers. But now it is okay again. Actually, I can show you that also. But anyways, that is not required. So you can hear me? Okay. All right, guys. I'm okay with this. So what is happening right now? I'm saying is that when these highs, these small highs were broken, well, there came so much of gap. Now there is a possibility that the price will take support at around this area and push further upside. There is a possibility. Okay, this is just a possibility on 1 hour. This is a possibility on 1 hour. But if you switch to 4 hours, you will see that the price was making higher highs and higher lows in this one also. Okay, after making this low, the price actually made this high, and this high here has breached that high. It may be for some time only, but it has already breached